Good afternoon, students. Today is the 17th of December, 2021. Only one day until Christmas. Yeah. And in this class today, hello, Alexander. Nice to see you.
I'm sorry for being late.
Yeah, I'm so happy that you are here because we could have more problems with the internet connection and you just missed from the lesson. Okay.
All right.
Great. And have we completed, first of all of our activities in our workbooks?
I think yeah.
Yes, we are. Yeah, and I have to give you the test, Alexander.
Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah, it's printed here.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is, the test field to complete 2 points. Oh no, I don't think so. And I expect each of you to submit to giving the test so that I can analyze your progress next week. Okay. And Valentina, hello. Valentina,
Hello.
you're
I'm
in
here.
the classroom. Hello. Чудесно. И така, деца. Oh, Valentina, I haven't ordered a book for you. I have to do it after the lesson. Okay. So, I was thinking what I have forgotten.
Аз ще го напиша и малко по-бързо.
Сега не е тест, че може да го остави за домашно за следващата седмица. Don't worry about doing it right now. Сега, тези упражнения направихме ли ги с групичката в Grammar Book? В Grammar Book, page 55, closes of result. Довършихме ли? Всичко работихме, да, работили сме. А 56 и 57 страница от Grammar Book, дали това сме изработили? Grammar Book. It is our exploring grammar. Ето това, работили сме го с групата, тези времена.
Госпожа, аз нямам работна тетрадка.
Да, зная. Ти ще следиш сега екрана ми. Знае, че нямаш. Сега ще ги направим заедно. Но после ще работим по учебника. Добре, мисля, че това не сме го работили.
Аз ще го правя малко така в един текста.
Или сме го работили? Кажете ми.
Have
we done it?
Yeah,
We've done it. Ако сме го работили, let's start the
I
new.
remember this guy. He was
Okay,
professional.
so we have done everything from this unit, and I do hope that everybody will submit their test to me by Monday, so that I can check your understanding about this grammar. Now, I've been waiting for the group together, so let's start Unit 3 today. So open your students' books on page 42, 43. Okay, and in this class, we are going to speak about environmental problems, environmental jobs, qualities, endangered species. The grammar is not going to be as difficult. We'll be going to present simple, present continuous, future continuous, and conditional sentences, plus making wishes.
Hi.
Hello, Katerina. We have just started. So everybody, open your students' books on page 42. And today we are starting our new material, vocabulary on environmental problems. So look at these pictures. Which of these problems can you see in the pictures? Or which are caused by nature, which by humans? So first of all, let's check the new vocabulary, which must, no, it's not given here. I was expecting it. Okay, so temperatures rise. Which activity shows that? Which one in the book? Which of these problems? Maybe all of them as the result. Can you see in the pictures? Because as a result of the temperatures rise, everything will be a consequence, like melting of the ice cap melts. Yeah, maybe that's what we should do. Okay, we just have to put the headlines below the pictures. So picture one, what can you see here? What does it show? Picture one, yes, Vladi. seas become polluted. Would you like to write it down, or you have this in your books? Yeah, Alexander.
Number two, rainforests disappear.
Rainforests disappear.
They don't disappear. They're being cut down.
They're being cut down, but not because of the
Disappear.
temperatures rise, but people continue logging down the trees in the rainforest. Vladi, that wasn't Vladi, that was Denislava. What about picture 3? What's that in the picture? So, becomes more common, extreme weather, maybe this one. Oh yeah, this is picture 4. And rivers and lakes dry up, изсъхват и пресушават се as a result of all of these environmental issues. Number 4, extreme weather becomes more common. More floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods. It's a flood. Flood, extreme weather conditions. Okay, so is everybody here in the classroom? I just want to take a picture of this page. Oh, good. And now exercise 2. What will happen if these problems continue? Use the ideas to make sentences. Look at the example. You have been given some ideas.
If rivers and lakes continue to dry up, there will be no clean drinking water.
So you have to make sentences by using the words in exercise 2. If rivers and lakes continue to dry up, there will be no clean drinking water. Yes? And this is this one, the last one. We just mentioned this one. Good. Alexander,
Yeah.
can you think of another problem?
Another problem. Well, the seas become
polluted. И ако това продължава да се случва,
actually, the seas become polluted is not just because they're being polluted, because of the animals that are dying because of it. You see, there's the material microplastic is material that's not can be seen by human eye, but it's a real big problem because the fish that swim in water that there's microplastic in will die. And if a human eats the fish, he might
get poisoned.
Get poisoned.
Yeah, I agree with you. So sea creatures will die. So can you make the sentence? Ако продължаваме да замърсяваме моретата, морските животни ще умрат. Yeah.
If we continue polluting the ocean,
the oceans, the seas,
the
sea
creatures are going to die.
Yes, will die. Точно така. Хайде, всеки да запише изречението в тетрадката ви.
If rivers and lakes continue to dry up, there will be no clean drinking water.
Само че аз натиснах обратното. Ставаше дума about this is about the seas. About the seas. If not this one, къде е това сега? Те са ги объркали. Maybe. Може би е по-нагоре и аз не го виждам. Скрито е. Не, if the seas become polluted. I just wanted to say this one, but it doesn't come. Те са ги объркали. Едно и също. Да, ето това е. Eruption, maybe. Eruption, a volcano eruption. So if rivers and lakes continue to dry up. No, not this one. Искам да използвам това. Не съответства това, което е отдолу с картинката. It must be if the seas continue.
If the seas continue to become polluted, sea creatures will die.
What we wanted to say.
Well, we are going to, because it's a fact. We can't change it, even though it's an opinion. No.
So what? It's Anyway, what does it mean? So if I eat fish, I will get poisoned.
If you eat a fish which have died by poisoning from microplastic, you are going to get poisoned.
Yeah, you are going to get poisoned, and you could even get cancer as a result. this
And,
plastic
yeah.
that comes into your body.
развият се,
You develop?
develop a disease.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is really scary, isn't it?
Uh,
Alarming.
But it's only from the rayon of between Southern America,
Northern America?
America and Asia. That's
Really?
the place where the most microplastic is.
Really? Okay.
being
It's
collected
being
right now.
collected right now as a result of the sea pollution. I
And-
see. Okay. Denislav, if rainforests disappear, what will be the result? Look at the pictures. What will happen? Айде, намери от текста под тебе, кой ще бъде резултата. Отдолу има в текст думички. Да? Nowhere to live. Точно така.
If rainforests continue to disappear, wildlife will have nowhere to live.
Може ли всички да записваме изреченията? Write it down. If rainforests continue to disappear, wildlife will have nowhere to live.
Това не е ли колапс?
Collapse? Ти коя група си, защото те са две групички?
Две.
B, to B.
Модул 2.
Да, но въпросът е 2A or 2B, те са две групи.
Да, на модул 2 съм, да.
Ама, той е две, ама B or A?
B.
B. It looks like
Нещо ми беше прекъснато.
earthquakes.
Yeah.
I say, good. So, Chrissy, we are continuing making sentences. Christian, if ice caps continue to melt or continue melting, what will happen? Look at these sentences in exercise 2. Sea levels. What will happen if ice caps continue melting? Кристияна, учебника.
Yes.
Да, какво ще се случи?
If ice caps melt, much of the
Не, ама
bees
погледни.
and the
Кристияна, ти имаш
Ама
ли
къде да
учебник
гледам?
в тебе си? Учебника не ти ли е отворен
Имам.
на страница 43? We are doing exercise 2. Look at the sentences below. There will be more hurricanes and heat waves. Просто си прочети задачата. Ето, остава дума за тези изречения. Ето тези изречения.
Okay.
Трябва да използваме тях. If ice caps continue to melt, what will happen? Ето ти го. Sea levels will rise and coastal towns
Will disappear.
Сега разбра ли какво правим?
Да, разбира, госпожо.
Can you write it down? This is the sentence.
If ice caps continue to melt, sea levels will rise and coastal towns will disappear.
Can you write it down?
Yes, okay.
Ice caps continue. Най-накрая разбра какво работим. Валентина, could you choose another sentence?
Crops will fail and animals and people will starve. I think is extreme weather becomes more common.
Добре. Не, това е тук с реката е свързано. При мен не показва, просто вие си следвайте нещата, аз пак ще върна. So, if rivers and lakes continue to dry up, ти кое каза, че ще бъде? Crops will fail and animals and people will starve. I agree with this opinion. Yeah, this is true. Така, Влади, what about if the temperature rises?
So if the temperature rises, there will be more hurricanes and heat waves.
You think so? Yeah, they say crops will fail and people will starve, but it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Did we talk about everything? If extreme weather, Alexander?
If extreme weather becomes more common, that's interesting.
Михайле, отвори си учебника, да ти нямаш ли учебник?
Oh, yeah, I do.
Моля ви се, на всички ли по-отделно трябва да ви казвам да си отворите учебниците? 43-та страница, казвам за трети, четвърти пореден път. Page 43. What will happen as a result?
There will be more hurricane and heat waves.
Yes, there will be more hurricanes and heat waves. This is the
That's what
sentence.
extreme weather is.
I know. Yeah.
Not what.
Yeah. So let's now watch the video. Yeah, that's what it will cause. During the listening, I wanted to answer these questions. Let's read them. Alexander, can you read the first question?
Sure.
Earth?
So Earth is home to 5 billion people. What? That's wrong. It's 7-8 billion people and millions of animals.
You think more than
More
5
than 5
million?
billion.
Danny, the second one? Temperatures are rising due to global warming. Due to е поради, т.е. температурата се увеличава заради глобалното затопляне. Влади?
There isn't enough clean drinking water for everyone.
Okay, Valentina, for it.
Rainforests are disappearing
Disappearing.
at a rate of 6,000
Thousand
acres an hour.
acres an hour. Т.е. че дъждовните тропически гори изчезват със скорост от 6000 акра на час. This is a lot. Katerina? Number 5.
Human active has pollute the size.
The seas. Разбирате ли изречението? Human activity. Нашата дейност, която извършваме, замърсява моретата. Цялата тази мъсотия се изтича в морето. Everything from the toilets, from the bathrooms, from factories.
Is it filtered?
I don't think they have filters everywhere when the wet water goes into the sea. And Christian, the last sentence. Oceans?
Okay, oceans are getting warmer and melting the polar ice caps.
Yeah, true or false? Yeah, definitely this is true. Let's watch the video now and say, is it true or false? Okay, let's do it.
What if? The Earth is around 5 billion years old. Today, it is home to billions of people and millions of animal species. With all of its natural beauty, it is a great place to live. However, environmental problems are a serious threat to the future of our planet. If we don't start making big changes soon, the results could be terrible. Global warming has resulted in temperatures rising around the world. If temperatures continue to rise, crops will fail, and animals and people will starve. Another problem is that rivers and lakes are drying up. If this continues, there will be no clean drinking water. The world's rainforests are currently disappearing at a rate of 6,000 acres every hour. That's about 4,000 football fields per hour. When these forests are cut down, wildlife has nowhere to live.
Искам да го
Lots
върна за маничко. Погледнете. So, the words rainforest.
Disappearing at a rate of 6,000 acres every hour. That's about 4,000 football
4,000 football fields per hour. Can you imagine that? 110 meters by 4,000 meters.
Бихте ли проверили колко дървета съдят?
Може после да го проверим, но това са 4000 футболни
По
игри за
едно
всеки
време точно заради
час.
отсичането
Да.
беше направена такава едно огромно място в София, където могат да се съдат дървета, но не знам дали вече го има, може и да го няма вече, ама по едно време беше много известно. Даже и аз отидох и реално беше много